Hello guys, it's your boy Christian Omeje of Optic Digital Hub in this new video again. And today in this video I'll be showing you how to create Facebook custom audiences. So before we jump in and start talking about custom audiences, if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, now will be the right time to do so. Ensure you click on the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you get notified whenever I drop new amazing videos just like this one. So that being said, let's talk about custom audiences. So what is a Facebook ads custom audience? So as you can see from the Facebook Resource Center, a custom audience is an ad targeting option that lets you find your existing audience among people who are on Facebook. So let's say you have run an ad before and you sent people to visit a page on your website, let's say your landing page, and you are selling a product. So you can remarket to the people that have visited that page and sell to them if they didn't buy the first time they landed on your page. So it's just basically remarketing to the people who have seen your ad before. So in this video today, I'm going to show you how to create a custom audience of people who either visited your website, watched the video on your page, engaged with your page, and also many more. If you have an app, also people who engaged with your app. So that being said, let me go back to my ads manager. So ensure you are logged into your Facebook Business Manager and you are on your ads manager. So from here, you can go to this hamburger icon right here. And as you can see, audience, go to audiences. So once you go to audiences, you are going to see all the audience you have ever created. So as you can see, these are your normal saved audience, the ones you generated by yourself using detailed targeting. So, but today I want to show you how to create a custom audience of people who have engaged with your page or website previously. So that being said, go to create audience, click on create audience. As you can see, custom audience, lookalike audience, special ad audience, or saved audience. So custom audience is what we want to generate today. So as you can see, in order to create a custom audience, we have different sources that you can create your custom audience from. So you can create your custom audience from people who visited your website, people who engage with your app, customers list, people who you have their email or phone number you can upload to retarget back to them. And also we have offline activity, we have Facebook video, lead form, instant experience, shopping, Instagram accounts, people who have engaged with your Instagram account in any way, events, Facebook page, and on Facebook listing. So from all of these sources, you can choose which type of custom audience you want to create depending on the kind of ad you have ran before. So that being said, let me say I want to create a custom audience of people who have watched videos on my page. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on video. And as you can see, I'm going to choose the engagement content type. So as you can see right here, we have people who viewed at least 3 seconds of your video, people who viewed at least 10 seconds, people who either completed or viewed at least 15 seconds of your video, and also we have people who watched your video 25%, 50%, 75%, or 95%. So you can choose any of these to target these people. So let's say, for example, I want to choose people who watch at least 50% of my video. So why it's most important most times to choose a lesser amount of percentage is that you are going to target a more targeted people, a laser targeted people. So let's just use 50% for this example. So then once you choose 50%, you can now come over to this option and choose the videos you want to use. So let's say you want to use a video that is on your page. So what you have to do now is click on this option that says video source. You click on Facebook page. As you can see, we have Facebook page, Instagram profile, campaign. That is from any ad you have run before. You can choose it, and if you have the video ID, you can also paste it. So let me say And this is where you can select the page you wish to target. Let's say you have different pages and you are trying to create a custom audience for a certain page. You can choose it right here. So as you can see, these are most of the pages I have. So let's say I want to create for this Kobe Pet Stores right here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to choose any of the videos I want. You can choose multiple videos, or you can choose a single video or a couple of videos. So let's say I just want to choose this video, and maybe this video. I want to choose people who have watched at least 50% of these 3 videos. So what I'm going to do, you can see I've selected the videos, and I'm going to click confirm right here. Then we'll have what we call the retention time. So you want to target people that have viewed this video in the past 365 days, or is it in the past 90 days, or is it in the past 30 days. So you can laser it right here. So you can choose that option right here. So let me say I want to target people who have viewed these videos in the past 90 days. So I can just target that, okay, in the past 3 months, people who have watched this video, I want to target 50% of these people and remarket to them. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to name my audience right here. So let's just say I'm naming this test 1, and the description is optional. You can just leave it right there. And the description is optional. You can just leave it blank like that. So click on create audience. As you can see, I've successfully created audience for people who watch a certain percentage of my video. So that is it. It's very simple like that. If you wish to create more, you can go the same option, select any of the sources right here and choose from which you want to target. So let's say I want to test out Instagram, for example. Let's do a quick overview, and you are going to see the same thing applies right here. As you can see, do you want people that match any of the following criteria or all of the following criteria? So it just depends on you, and you can also choose the source. Which of your Instagram accounts do you want to create a custom audience for? So you can see all the Instagram accounts I'm managing. So let's say maybe for Kobe Pet Store, the same thing, and you just follow the same process. So now everyone who engaged with this professional account, so you can come here and begin to choose. Just read through and you select. Do you want to create a custom audience of everyone who have engaged with your professional account, or is it anyone who visited your profile, or anyone who engaged with an ad or post? So it just depends. You can test out different options and see which one works best for you. And also the retention time, just like we did previously, the amount of days you want to target that people have engaged with your Instagram account. So this is how simple it is to actually create a custom audience. So you just follow it up, the same process. Choose, if you are running for a landing page, you choose, okay, people that visited a certain page on your website, you are going to see it, and very straight to the point. You understand? This video is a very short video to show you how to remarket to the people who have previously seen your ad. So what I can do now, when I go to my ads manager, if you want to use this custom audience in your ads, so I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's say I create a new campaign as usual. Then let me say I want to create a traffic campaign. I'll just move forward. So you just ignore this part because we are not trying to create an ad. I just want to show you where you can select that audience you just created from. You come down to your ad set and go down to audience, because that is where you choose it from. So as you can see, we have create new audience, we have used save audience, and we have custom audiences. So this is where you choose the custom audience you just created. So once you click on it like this, it's going to show you, as you can see it right here, test 1, and it's showing me that I will have fewer than 1,000 people. So most times it takes a bit of time for it to populate. So once it finished populating, it's going to show you a higher percentage of audience. So you can choose it like this, and then you go down to run your ads. So sometimes it can show you unavailable, it means it is still populating. So this is how easy it is for you to create a custom audience to remarket to the people who have seen your ads before. So I believe you must have come across a certain ad on Facebook that anytime you come on Facebook, you always see that ad. You'll be wondering, why is this ad following me anywhere I go? What they have done, they have used custom audience to target you. Let's say you visited their website, you clicked on, let me use Jumia for example. You clicked on a beautiful shoe that you like and you visited that shoe landing page on Jumia, and you log into Facebook. Maybe in the next 2 hours you see that same shoe remarketing to you. So what they have done is that they have created a custom audience of people who visited that shoe landing page on their website, and they are beginning to remarket to those people, and you are one of those people. So this is how easy it is for you to also remarket to the people who have seen your ad but didn't take action on your ads. So it's very simple. Explore it, test it, and see which one works out for you. And I believe you are going to gain success as you continue to move in your Facebook ads journey. So that being said, guys, thank you for staying true to this video. I believe you have gotten value, and if you got value from this video, ensure that you subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. Click on the bell notification, and also drop a comment and like this video to give this video a boost. So thank you guys for staying true. I will see you on the next video.